everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be setting the M5 on fire. Right?
What?
M5 on fire?
Your toenails, Jesus Christ, you can climb trees with those things.
Yeah, I'm not showing my feet on camera. I only do that on Feet Finder.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the exhaust tips. Let me show you guys what I got. So I went ahead and got these stainless exhaust tips. I do like the look of them with the straight cut versus the angled. I like this look. It looks more aggressive to me. So what I recommend is a rubber mallet, which I got one right here. Where is it? There it is. And if you don't have a rubber mallet, you could always use a regular hammer with a small piece of like a 2x4. One down. All right, we got both of them off. That's what the OEM look like. Mine on the right side, right here, you can see how close this is. I don't think the new ones will fit properly. It's going to be hitting the diffuser and making a rattling noise, which we don't want. If I can find it on the camera. There it is. This nut right here, right there, it's the hanger for the exhaust. You can see the hanger right there. If you loosen it, it gives you a little bit of play to push it over, and then you have to tighten it down at the same time. Or you can back the hanger off a little bit just to get some clearance on one side. And then there's another hanger right there, which you can back off a little bit. You don't want to do it too much so it doesn't fall off, but I might back it off just a tiny bit so I can get a little bit more clearance over here to the right side for the new exhaust tip. Went ahead and loosened it. It is a 13 millimeter. Now you can see, let me, if I can get a grip on the muffler back here, you can see there's a little bit of play in that hanger. I might have to get Evan out here to tighten it back up as I hold it where I want it to go. So I'm gonna crank on this down a little bit just to get it a little snug, just so it can sit in place. This tool's not gonna fit in here, so I'm gonna have to put a wrench on it. So I do have some good news. Those are the downpipes, by the way. We did get the inspection for emissions that's due, so I'm going to go this weekend and get that out of the way so we can put the catless downpipes on, and then I don't have to worry about it for 2 years. But how about these new tips? I like them. I'm digging them. So like I said, if you guys are interested in these, we'll probably eventually add it to our website store. But for right now, if you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put a link to our Instagram down in the description below if you're interested in these. They're fairly reasonable, the price, and they look great. So it's late and nobody wants to move their car, so we'll have to pass on moving it out of here and looking at a full rear, but they do look great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.